Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounce Automotive. Today I have a 2017 Chevy Cruze LT, clean Carfax. I'm going to walk you around this vehicle and show you some features on it real fast. Alright, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. This car's got a lot of nice options on it that I think you're going to like. One of them is right here. This has a proximity key. All you have to do is hit that button right there. It's going to unlock the car for you. The previous owner was a non-smoker. There's no funny smells inside of the vehicle. I don't see any stains, rips, or tears in the seats. Now guys, due to COVID-19, we are appointment only right now. We can also bring this vehicle to you if you would like to see it. Now, of course, we would have to work together if you are farther than 50 miles away too. Just let us know how we can help you out. We'd be more than happy to do anything we can. Now, if the shelter in place has been lifted, disregard that message. You will have to come to the dealership and look at this vehicle. All right, no stains or rips in the back, anything like that. We have completed a full inspection on this Chevy Cruze, and we're also gonna put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it. But the good thing about this Cruze, it's actually gonna have the remaining of the factory warranty as well too. Now you will get a backup camera. Plenty of room back here for storage. This is actually the hatchback version of the Chevy Cruze, which I'm sure you're well aware of that. Now, like I said, we are appointment only, so if you want to come look at this vehicle, you have to schedule an appointment. When you schedule the appointment, we will make sure you are the only one here. Same goes with your paperwork. When you do your paperwork on this vehicle, you will be the only one at the dealership doing the paperwork. So we're just trying to limit the number of people in the dealership at one time. Now guys, if you have any questions on this 2017 Chevy Cruze, my name is Tim Dawson. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Be more than happy to take more photos and other videos. Just let us know how we can help you guys out. Again, you got the proximity key. Just hit that, it's gonna unlock the car for you. Power windows, power locks, automatic headlights, power driver's seat. Again, no rips or tears in these cloth seats. Now these cloth seats are heated though, always nice to have. Let's start her up. Push button start. Got the nice big touchscreen. Gonna have a backup camera. Got a couple charge ports down there. I mentioned earlier, it does have a remote start. No cracking or fading in the dash. I don't see any chipping or cracking in the windshield. We do take in trades. We even take boats on trades. Four-wheelers, golf carts, you name it, we'll take it on trade. Cruise control, Bluetooth. It's got 58,000 miles on it. May have to update the miles on the website. I think the owner's son drove this car for a little while. But guys, please let me know I can help you out on this Chevy Cruze. My name's Tim. Please feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you. Have a great day.